Alright. Good morning, afternoon, class.
Morning, afternoon.
Let's start out by singing Oats and Beans and Barley Grow, alright? 1, 2, ready, go.
Oats and beans and barley grow. Oats and beans and barley grow. Do you or I or anyone know how oats and beans and
Sing it one more
barley
time.
grow? Oats and beans and barley grow. Oats and beans and barley grow. Do you or I or anyone know how oats and beans and barley grow?
Good job, class. Has anyone ever been to Louisiana? Anyone? No? Oh yeah? That's cool. Did you know that they grow oats in Louisiana? Anybody know what you can make with oats?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal, that's about it, that's all I know.
Cookies.
What?
Cookies.
Oatmeal cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are good.
Good.
What else is Louisiana known for? Does anybody know? What kind of music comes from Louisiana?
The Louisiana.
Jazz music, that's right. Jazz comes from Louisiana. What is a famous city in Louisiana that we have a song about?
New Orleans.
What song is it?
Great big house in New Orleans.
Great Big House in New Orleans. That's right. Okay, so let's sing Great Big House in New Orleans. 1, 2, ready, go.
Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in, filled with pumpkin pie.
Awesome. I'm going to give you a worksheet, and we're going to listen to, I'm going to sing Great Big House, and I'm going to ask that you listen to me sing and write down the rhythms that you hear, okay? So I'm going to sing it a few times and give you a chance to hear it. And once everybody looks like they're done, we'll see what we get, okay? Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in, filled with pumpkin pie. Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in, filled with pumpkin pie. Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in, filled with pumpkin pie. Yes, Josh?
So does every box represent
A measure. It's a measure.
A measure.
Mhm. Any more questions? Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in, filled with pumpkin pie. Yes, Josh?
Is this the beat or is that a whole measure?
It's a beat and a measure. Wait. It's a measure. Just a 1, 1, 1, 1,
Is this a 2-2?
1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. We're in 4th grade. Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every house that I've been in, filled with pumpkin pie. Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in, filled with pumpkin pie. Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in, filled with pumpkin pie. Okay, one more time. Make sure you're listening if you don't got it. Had it yet. Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in, filled with pumpkin pie. Alright, so who can tell me what the first measure is? 4/8 notes. So,
Go to the top when you're playing this market. At the circle.
Where?
Right beside the structure.
oh,
I think that's what Dr. Wilson does.
is it G?
Yeah.
So, can you write on the
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think so. You should be able to.
You can?
Now,
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So Crystal says 4/8 notes. Is she right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Does anyone know other measures that are the same as that? Yes,
The
Billy?
third one is,
So this one?
yes.
Are there any other ones?
You raise your hand.
Josh is right there. That's the same. Yes, Billy?
7 also has.
Alright. So let's sing it and see if these are right, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in, filled with pumpkin pie. Okay, that's right. Can anyone give me measure 2? Josh?
2/8 quarter.
2/8 and a quarter note? Awesome. Is there another measure that looks like this?
Yes.
6. So right here. Alright, Chrysalis, can you tell me what measure 4 is?
2 quarter notes.
Alright. Anyone want to give me the last one? Billy?
4/8 notes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Anyone want to help Billy out?
It's a half note.
Right, good job, Chrysalis. Alright, so
Good question.
let's sing it together and watch it on your paper as we sing it, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. Great big house in New Orleans, 40 stories high. Every room that I've been in, filled with pumpkin pie. Awesome. Alright, so if you look on the bottom of our worksheet, you'll notice that we have 2 different colors, 2 different parts. So this half of the room is blue and y'all are orange, and you have different things written in already. So this side of the room has whole notes on the first 2 and the last, first 2 and 5 and 6 measures, and you have whole rest in 3 and 4 and 7 and 8. So what I'm going to want you to do is match 1 and 2. If you don't have whole rest in them, write down the first 2 measures and 5 and 6. So fill in what you can with the top and put it in the bottom unless there's a whole rest in it. Does that make sense?
So it's supposed to be exactly like the top.
Exactly like the top. We're going to rewrite the top,
Oh.
but if you have rest, don't write those measures.
Okay.
Does that make sense? So you 2 are writing
Okay.
3 and 4 at the bottom. Yeah,
Boy.
perfect. All right, are we done? All right, so we're going to toddy this, and we're going to notice that we're different. We're not doing the exact same thing the whole time, but that's okay, okay? So we're going to together make the whole song. All right, so toddy, 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 toddy. Ready? 1, 2, go. Toddy, 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 ta.
Toddy, toddy, ta, ta.
Toddy, 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 ta.
Toddy, toddy, ta.
Let's do it one more time. ta-dee,
ta-dee, ta-dee, ta.
Ta-dee, ta-dee, ta-ta.
Ta-dee, 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 ta.
Ta-dee, ta-dee, ta.
Awesome. Isn't that cool that we make the song together even though you're not singing the whole time? It is.
Yes.
Alright. So, now we're going to sing. I want this all to go away. Okay, let's sing. There sits the Sally in the chair. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, go. This is the Sally Williams in the chair, chair, chair. She lost all the truth she had left. Alright, let's see. Let's all start on the same note. That's my bad. So, there. 1, 2, ready, go. There sits a Sally Williams in the chair, chair, chair. She lost all her true love she had last year. Oh, rise up on your feet and greet the first you meet and bring him round again. Let's do it one more time. There sits a Sally Williams in the chair, chair, chair. She lost all the true love she had last year. Oh, rise up on your feet and greet the first you meet and bring him round again. Nice. Alright, so now we're going to try and sol fa. Does anyone, so what is our, we have do, re, mi, half, and so, right? So that's what we're going to use. What do we start on?
So,
Low
So,
sol.
and then we jump up to do. What's this new one? Yeah, okay. Alright, and then this is,
No.
Ray, that's right. Alright. Do we see half anywhere? Can someone tell me where half is?
Last line, first one.
Last line, first
Or
measure?
repeat the first one.
Yeah? So right there's half, okay? Alright, so let's try to sol fa. We'll take it a little slower. 1, 2, ready? So, do, mi, re, do, re, re, re. So, re, mi, re, do, mi, do, re, mi, re, do. Half, 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 mi, re, do. Very nice. Alright, so today we're going to replace half with its real sol fa name. And so do, and we have half here, but now we're going to call it its real name, fa. Okay? So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. That's what we know so far. And here's the hand sign for it. Can everyone do that with me? Alright. And here's what it looks like on the staff if we have a C scale. And here's it on a piano. Can anyone notice what's different right here between mi and fa?
There's no other key.
Right, there's no black key right here like there are between everything else. So it's a half step between mi and fa. So that's why we called it half. Alright, so let's go back and put it in our song. So when we get here, we'll say fa instead of half, okay? So starting on so. 1, 2, ready? So, do, do, do.